Hello everyone. Today will we discuss on how to overcome from exam fear. In India, exams create a different environment altogether. From parents to student, everyone is under deep stress and if we go in depth, the reason is competition and comparison. While parents are stressed about their societal status, innocent kids are stressed to see their parents going through the phase. Apart from this, the peer pressure and school pressure makes the situation worse. Exam fear is one of the common thing which you can find in every student who is going to attend exam. Tough this is not very unusual but can have a negative effect when you write your exam. Some of the main reason are stress and expectations from parents and teachers. Most of the cases can be found in a student who will be attending board examination. If students encounter exams fear of stress, they will not be able to perform well. Fear usually leads to stress, thus developing anxiety and depression in a student. This ultimately results in performing poorly in exams. Here are 10 tips of overcome exams fear and to reduce anxiety. Start revising early. Never keep revisions for the 16th hour. It is suggested to start revisions 2 days before the exam and a night before of exam should be kept of relaxation and students should try to meditate to keep calm and just go through formulas and equations the night before the exams. Second one, make your own timetable. When it comes to Indian student, they are often compared to others by society and parents. It is important to understand that every individual is different and one should make their own timetable or routine of studying hour, keeping their potential in view. Third one, chart out a plan. Planning out things is always good. During the examination time, the best way understand to subject is through flowchart, graph, and pictures. It help you understand the subject easily and it is also in mind for years. Fourth one, mixed subject. Never ever focus only one subject. In such case, other subjects are left out and at the end moment you might miss out of the chapters. It is advisable to make routine and dedicate some time to each subjects daily or on alternate days to create a balance. Next, allocate time of breaks. Studying continuously for long hours is not only trying to but also bad for your health. It is important to take a break after every hours or so to relax your body. Trying to stretch your body, drink water, juice drink during the break and rejuvenate the body. According to your health expert, stretching helps in your improving the body circulation of the body. Next, sleep well. In school days, a minimum of 8 to 9 hours for sleep is necessary to relax the body and mind. In case you fail to do so, it requires parents' interventions in rescheduling your timetable to create a balance. Next, take notes. While preparing for exams or revising the chapter, take notes of important dates, events, peoples, and incident. They are very help in structuring your final revisions and in their exam hall. They are effective in making your answer rich in content. Next, write legibly. This is the duty of parents and teachers to mention kids about writing legibly. It often happens that under exam pressure, kids don't pay attention to other writing and trying to finish paper on time. That's why it is suggested to practice mock paper in the school, classrooms and at home to improve time management skill. Next, using highlighter. This is interlinked with the above point. Use of highlighters make too easy for the examiner to understand your knowledge about the subject and also help is forming a good impression. Also, the use of highlighter during the preparations of exams help you remember important aspect for the subject. Next, heading and subheading. While answering, always use heads and subheads to deal with the all subject. It makes it easy for the examiner to understand what all has been answered. Also, it looks neat. Also, use paragraphs while answering to avoid confusions and providing sequence wise information. Ways to help eliminate exam stress. Before an exam, if you can concentrate well in the morning, then do most of your studying before lunch, not late at night when you cannot concentrate. If you can study at night, then study at later half of the day, but go to the bed at a reasonable hour and get enough sleep. Next, try answering questions from past exam papers, or you can also try explaining tricky answer to someone else to make sure you have understood it. Next, always ask for help if there are things you do not understand, and especially if you feeling stressed out. Next, on the day of exam, avoid talking to friends who get stressed easily. You know, the ones with cues card outside the exams hall, frantically trying to remember key dates and equations. They will doing nothing for your stress level. Next, write down everything you feel like you needs to do and try and tick one thing off. Just the act of feeling like you are in control of your revisions can help. Next, watch a film, a TV show, play cricket, or listen to the some music that make you feel good. Next, drink some on herbal tea or hot chocolate. It's a well-known fact that hot drinks are known to soothe the soul. Avoid too much caffeine tough. Next, a shower or a bath can help relieve stress. During an exam, students who panic in an exam should take deep breath. Next, if a question causes them to freeze, then they should move to an easier questions. Come back to difficult question later. After an exam, avoid the exam postmortem. You do not need to know how other people fared in the exam. You have done your best. You cannot go back and change your answers. So, the second you step out of the exam hall, focus on your next exam. Always remember that scoring low low marks or failing an exams is not the end of the world. It's time to going get stuff. I think of this quote I read a long ago. Ever tried, ever failed, no matter. Try again, fail better. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.